7 times 8, 56. 2 steps. No memorization. Watch. In Lesson 2, you learn to find how far a number falls short of its base. That shortfall, the deficit, is today's multiplication weapon. Most adults never connect these two ideas. You will. Here is the rule. Every number near 10 has a deficit, the gap between the number and 10. 7's deficit is 3. 8's deficit is 2. Now multiply 7 times 8. Step 1. Take either number and subtract the other number's deficit. 7 minus 2 is 5. That is the 10's digit. Step 2. Multiply both deficits together. 3 times 2 is 6. That is the units digit. Read it, 5, 6. 56. Now the y. Write 7 as 10 minus 3. Write 8 as 10 minus 2. Multiply them. 10 minus 3 times 10 minus 2. Expand. 100 minus 30 minus 20 plus 6. 100 minus 50 plus 6. 56. The 10's digit, 5, came from the cross-subtract. The units digit, 6, came from the product of deficits. Boom. Cross-subtract for the 10's. Multiply deficits for the units. Algebra sealed it. Let's slow it down. 7 times 8. Deficits first. 7 is 3 below 10. 8 is 2 below 10. Step 1. Cross-subtract. 7 minus 2. That is 5. 10's digit, 5. Step 2. Multiply the deficits. 3 times 2 is 6. Units digit, 6. Read it, 5, 6. 56. Yes. Now the algebraic check to prove it. 7 times 8 is 10 minus 3 times 10 minus 2. Expand. 100 minus 30 minus 20 plus 6. 100 minus 50 is 50 plus 6. 56. Same answer. 2 paths. The shortcut is the derivation, compressed into 2 steps. Your turn. 6 times 9. 5 seconds. Deficits are 4 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Go. Yes, 6 minus 1 is 5. 10's digit, 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Units digit, 4. 54. Algebraic check. 10 minus 4 times 10 minus 1 is 6 times 9. 100 minus 40 minus 10 plus 4. 54. You derived that. You did not memorize it. One more, and this one surprises people. 8 times 8. Same number, same deficit. 8's deficit is 2. Both numbers have deficit 2. Step 1. Cross-subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. 10's digit, 6. Step 2. Multiply the deficits. 2 times 2 is 4. Units digit, 4. Read it, 6, 4. 64. Yes. Works even when both numbers are identical, because the cross-subtract is symmetric. And the check, 10 minus 2 times 10 minus 2 is 8 squared. 100 minus 20 plus 4. 64. Perfect. The method never cares if the numbers are different or the same. 3 things. 1. The deficit is how far each number falls below 10. You computed these in lesson 2. Today they multiply. 2. Cross-subtract one number minus the other number's deficit. That is the tens digit. Multiply both deficits. That is the units digit. 3. The reason it works. 10 minus x times 10 minus y equals 10 times the cross-subtract plus the product of deficits. Algebra, not magic. Quick check. 9 times 7. A. 54. B. 56. C. 63. D. 72. 3 seconds. Pick one. Now prove it. Practice 10 problems at tamilgeniuslab.com. Link below. If you missed lesson 2, the all from 9 complement trick, watch that next. It makes today's deficits even faster. Subscribe for lesson 6. See you there. More free courses for kids. tamilgeniuslab.com/courses